Greetings from Flaten, and it's time to celebrate beach day number 100 on my Sweden beach adventures. And I am welcomed with sun in this evening after having clouds most of the day. It is 5:30 p.m. and it's time for a beach adventure with Chris from Flaten and this spontaneous nude beach spot in the beautiful nature of Flaten. And the water is so still, you can see the reflection of the other side. And I'm so curious to see how warm it is in the water, as we have 19 degrees Celsius in the air. And we can see through the water as how clean it is. And now I'm making a move in the water as well from touching the lake. You can see everything beneath. It's so amazing. Let's see. Okay, it's also 19 degrees in the lake as well. And that means it's time to hit the waters and jump in the lake Flaten. I just can't believe that this is beach day number 100, how fast things have gone. And it is 23rd of July only. So yeah, let's enjoy the sun while it lasts, as it will disappear from the clouds that is coming in. So let's then jump in the lake together. Yes, 19 degrees both in the air and in the lake. And it looks absolutely stunning with sun, obviously. All right, so ready, set, and go. It's so amazing and so beautiful, even without the sun when it disappears in a bit behind the clouds. So amazing indeed. Wonderful way to celebrate 100 beach day in Sweden this year. And let's hit also 200 soon again. Yeah, the weather has been a bit shifting this week and also next week compared to the super heat wave that there is in the Mediterranean area. But for summer it's definitely the best. Alright, so the sun is back and Chris is ready to swim a bit longer here in the lake Flaten filming. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.